live in Tennessee. I hope you got a chance to enjoy some of that sunshine today. I know I sure did. I've been out there working all day, so I needed to find something to cook for supper that was going to be quick and easy. One of my friends years ago may have given this to me. It may even be you if you're watching. If it was you, thank you so much. My family has enjoyed this recipe for many years. This was actually one of my son's favorite recipes. You will not believe how simple this red bean and rice recipe is. Now my husband makes one that is off the hook and it has quite a few ingredients in it, but this is the one I've always made because I like quick and easy. I've already got started. I've got my rice over here cooking. So if you want to follow me over here to the stove, I'll show you what else we're gonna do. First, you're gonna want to cut up your kielbasa in about 1/2 inch thick pieces. Okay, go ahead and grab a large skillet. And because I'm using turkey, I like to put a little olive oil in it. It doesn't have a lot of fat in it. Go ahead and add your turkey. Oops, my puppy will get that. And we are just going to brown this kielbasa. If you're running short on time, you can turn this up high. Now go ahead and cut your stovetop eye down to low. And we are going to add some light red kidney beans. And you're going to pour the liquid in the can in there as well. Just give that a stir. And you're going to need another can. So that's 2 cans of light red kidney beans. And here's my second can. Now we're going to add some bell pepper. And just add, I don't know, maybe 1/4 cup. Add a teaspoon of onion powder. Now you don't even have to add the onion powder and bell peppers. And we're going to let this simmer for 10 minutes while our rice is cooking. Go ahead and put your rice in a bowl and just pour that mixture in there. This is so good. And you don't want to stir it, just kind of move it around there. And we are going to add some Louisiana hot sauce. So when you're adding this, just add a little bit. I probably already added 1/4 cup. And that's just enough to give it some taste. And if you want to, you can go ahead and serve it that way and just give someone the hot sauce to add more if they want it spicier, because some people don't like it really hot. Just put this in a nice serving dish and go ahead and make some fried cornbread to go with this, because they go so well together. Yum.